My name is Kayla Ferreira, and I am a first-generation college student. Being a first-generation college student is being the first in your family to attend a four-year college or university. And for me personally, my parents moved here from a different country, so getting to go to college was a really big deal. And getting to live out the dreams that they never really got to do, that is what being a first-gen student is for me. So coming into college, I wanted to experience all of college life that I could as quickly as I could. So I think what I really loved about Southeastern is how much they had to offer. I jumped into many different clubs and different opportunities that SCU offered and just wanted to really do it all and get as involved as I could, just because no one in my family got to really do that before. So I really wanted to be the first to be able to experience all of that. I also really loved how professors and faculty here on campus are really intentional about being mentors and being just really present in your life. You're not just another student and you're not just another number, but you are a person that matters. And I really loved that about SCU because when I had questions or when I really didn't know what I was doing, I knew that I could reach out to those people that would really come behind me and support me. So I am in the School of Honors, and the whole beginning your thesis process journey was a really big deal and was really scary, and I really had no idea what I even wanted to write about or what I was passionate about. But I had professors here on campus who sat down with me and really helped me narrow down things that I was passionate about and impacts and changes that I wanted to make here on campus. So we discovered that I was really passionate about first-gen students and coming behind them and supporting them. So I'm actually writing my honors thesis on this, which was really exciting, but I really don't think that I'd be able to do that if it wasn't for my thesis advisor, who was a first-gen student himself and was able to point back to his own life and say, hey, like, I also was the first in my family to do this, and here's how I did it. Different people on campus in the registrar office and in the advising office who, again, were able to point back to their own experiences and help guide me and walk me through this journey and help me really narrow down my passion. To my parents who, even though you haven't been here and you haven't walked this journey, you have championed me, you have supported me, and you have tried to relate and understand even when you didn't. So thank you so much for being my biggest cheerleaders on this journey and celebrating me in the highs and in the lows. I am Kayla Ferreira, and I am proud to be a first-generation college student.